Good evening, everyone. It was an opportunity to showcase specifically these carpet tiles. So I'm going to kind of go give you a quick review, and then I'll take the opportunity to kind of describe what I did in here so I don't waste your time. But yeah, so product is the carpet tiles. They're 24 inches by 24 inches or 2 feet by 2 feet. And it come, I think, was packs of 10. This was the assorted colors. You come in this cardboard box. You got like kind of a rubber bottom, and then tape on the back. Not very artistic, but I wanted something a little bit less boring. And I don't know what happened, but my public math or non-public math sucked, and I had to order some more. So that's on me, but it was quick to turn. So like right here, you can see. I haven't swept this recently, but I have vacuum and like nothing pulled up off the ground. I just have it strictly on the concrete slab underneath. You can kind of see too, because it fits really nice and tight. So, you know, for the performance, if you will, I'm really pleased with it so far. I haven't had a lot of foot traffic in here. I'm still finishing it, but I thought it would be a great opportunity to kind of showcase, you know, what it looks like near finished. And again, like I think they're very affordable too. I think bought this other box and I got it on sale. So definitely 5 stars, 2 thumbs up, whatever have you. So a little bit of background with this room. About 6 months ago, a few months after I bought it, the air handlers behind this wall and whoever did the plumbing work looked like, well, you can imagine, right towards the end of the day on a Friday before the weekend. And so there used to be carpet in here, and I never really used this room at the time. And one day I went in there to use laundry on this bed. And by the way, that's from Amazon too. I love this bed. Great frame, affordable. Now I'm thinking about. But I stepped right here where the carpet was, and there was like a little puddle. And well, here's one of my dogs. So she was a puppy at the time, and I thought maybe this piece. So I sprayed it. I'll get back to it in a day or two, and I shampoo it. Well, when I finally came in here to deal with it, I had water all the way here, and so I ended up replacing this, which actually is another good little side thing. Here's this P-trap. I need to get, I don't know if you can see it. That's from Amazon. That's really good. Anyhow, ADD. So I'm back. So anyhow, when I finally got to it, I pulled everything up and I left it as is. So what I did to prep this is, I actually didn't take any of the furniture down or out, but I naturally pulled all the padding out, the carpet, and just did a really good like sweep and mop. And then where the carpet tack is, I removed that, and then I scraped where I need to. I didn't have any acetone because there's glue on the cement. But what I ended up doing was using some rubbing alcohol, swept again, vacuum again, and then what I did along the base trim is I put a caulk on just to kind of make it a little bit more energy efficient, if you will. And then after that dried, swept and shot vac again. I did do a couple of dry mops as I needed it to. And then once everything was dry, I literally just pull the tape off and then put them down. When I put them down though, like usually what I do is I'll stick 1 or 2 ahead and I'll kind of offset them. What is surprisingly nice about these, and I've saw some other videos, is if you cut it and like fold it or break it over, it's actually pretty easy to get a nice clean cut. And so kind of show off a little bit is I wanted these offset a little bit. So as you can kind of see down this line, I did it just such. So if that's testimony that's possible, you know, to keep it in mind, if I can do it, anyone can do it. And then over here, I'm gonna have a little bit more fun, but based off my experience there, should be no easy. I actually just use like a razor right here. So in short, really pleased with this product. I highly recommend it, especially if you're looking for something that's affordable, different, fun. Because as much as I don't want this floor to get wrecked, if it does, I can just pull up a square. If I want to get fancy, I can pull it up. I can save this, reuse it, you know, for outside, you name it. So I just like the the versatility of it, and it's a good product. Otherwise, since I said, that P-trap next door, if you're able to see it, is great. And this bed is equally as good. This is Renaissanczyk, where misses are signs of life. Hope you enjoyed. Good shopping. Take care. Out.